This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your R15. Charge the battery and confirm firmware is current. Mount the quick-release plate to the camera using the 1/4-20 screw, then attach it to the gimbal without powering on. Balance the tilt and roll axes so the camera floats level. This reduces motor strain and preserves battery life. Once done, make sure clamps are tightened and cables routed cleanly. Power the gimbal and observe idle position to verify balance before proceeding to configuration and mode checks. You now calibrate and configure the R15 for actual shooting. Begin with a 3-axis auto calibration, then perform IMU calibration on a flat surface. This improves stabilization accuracy. Adjust motor strength incrementally and run a responsiveness test. Increase strength only if motors struggle, because too much causes jitter. Next, set your follow modes like pan, tilt follow, and lock, and assign joystick functions and button shortcuts. Once these settings are saved, test with smooth pans and slow tilts to confirm behavior matches your intent. You finish by practicing operation and knowing how to fix common issues. Execute controlled moves, slow pushes, micro adjusts, and smooth 180 degrees pans while monitoring horizon level. For long shoots, mount the gimbal on a tripod and enable autosleep to conserve battery between takes. If you notice drift, immediate steps are to rebalance the camera, rerun the IMU calibration, and confirm firmware is up to date. Also check motor temperature and reduce payload if motors overheat. These steps restore reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.